Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to log in Gmail on iPhone. To log into your Gmail on your iPhone, first of all, open your Gmail. Then select the Google or any other platform. Once you have select the one of the platform, enter your email address. Then, once you are done with your email address, type your password and hit done. Then you will be asked that if you are trying to recover your account. Simply click on yes, it is me, then you can log in. Thank you for watching this video.